Good morning, English 112. It's Tuesday and it's now week 15. I'm excited to let you know that this week we only have a little bit of work. What I'd like for you guys to do this week is talk about your experience in 112. We're going to work on what we call a self-reflection. And if you were taking my seated class, we would have done self-reflection several times already. Usually we do reflection after peer review. We talk about what it's like to put your writing out there and be accepted by someone else, reviewed by someone else, and how that feels. But we haven't had that opportunity really in online, particularly not during the pandemic. So I want you to take this week to spend some time reflecting on what your experience has been like. And this time I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I want to hear what your experience has been like, not just in 112, with your own topic, with your own argument and proposal that you've been working on. I want to find out about how your semester has gone overall. I want to find out how you're feeling during this time and how you feel like this class has helped you as you move forward. So I will put specifics in the week 15 module, the weekly assignment module, but that's what we're going to work on this week as I look at your proposals and grade those and get comments back to you about that. So self-reflections are going to be due Sunday night. And I'll again put more details in the module. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're still staying safe and healthy. And if there's anything I can do for you, you guys know where to find me. Take care.